wrestling match. For wrestling.
What?
Oh, cool. Yeah. Put him back in the crowd.
Well, you didn't want
I'm
to
sorry,
pick me up,
stuff
did
it.
you?
Oh, I think we already have a fight going on. Okay. First we have Cheyenne. No. 2,000-pound Cheyenne. 150-pound Shine Bear. Who do you think will win?
Let's start.
Yeah. Ooh, get ready. Ooh, 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 no. And Shine Bear goes down. Oh, body slam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got him. Oh, I don't think he's breathing. You know, he signed a contract. That's okay. Okay. My turn. Alright, in this corner, we have 50-pound, 500-pound Barney. And in that pound, we have 10,000-pound Lindsay. Here we go. Oh no! He's down! He's down! Let's go, Barney. Oh! 1, 2, 3, you're out! What now, Ricky? The fight is over. She is down. Lindsay won. I mean, lost. Okay.